Hi guys, it's Dave at Humbletrekker channel. How you doing today? Something a little bit different for the channel. I'm going to review a Primus 2222. It's a double gas burner from the 1970s. It was a flea market find, but I think it's a great bit of prepping kit. It's a steel box, carrying handle here. Comes in these fantastic classic 1970s colours. I picked it up for equivalent of $20 at a flea market, which I think is about its money. I've seen it advertised for 3-4 times that amount on eBay, but of course that's what it's been asked for, but is that what they're getting? I think $20 is a fair price for it. If you can get it for 10 or 15, it would be an absolute steal, but I think $20 was a fair price. It's got two retaining clips here. Pull those down and then open it up. It's a little bit stiff, being 40 years old. And there you see, you've got two full-sized gas burners. The bottom is divided in two, and you pull it out like that, and you can just see a glimpse of the gas canisters there, and that gives you a stable base. Each gas burner is individually adjustable. The regulating knobs are for storage and travel, carried here. You take them and then you actually slide them on horizontally, and I'll just turn it, you'll hear the gas. It's the same on both sides. They're actually kind of retained in here due to a lip on the bottom, so you can't lose them. So for travel and storage you have them like that. You just flip them and then you're good to go. There's the model name here and serial number on the inside. The gas bottles are attached in the bottom, all by metal brackets. This being the 1970s, there's not a hint of plastic on this anywhere. It's optimally designed to use the Primus 2202 size canisters, and as you can see, this has actually come with vintage gas canisters. Very cool, very kitschy, great little design on it. The original price tag too, from the Texaco petrol stations. Pretty cool. So these are the larger 22 screw fitting 2202 size. They just screw in so, and they're retained down like that. But you can fit it with the smaller gas bottles, no problems whatsoever, as long as it's got that standard screw. And even if you haven't got the standard screw, you can use an adapter on the bayonet type, which I'm actually got on here because I've got a very large prep and supply of these push-on canisters. So even with an adapter, it'll work. Let's see it in action. You can hear the gas coming out. You won't be able to see the flame because it's blue, but you'll be able to hear it. It's a very powerful flame. I mean, it's almost, I'm going to say, yeah, it's comparable to a standard home kitchen flame. Yeah. Let's get the water on for a cup of coffee. Traditional. I'll be drinking Coffee Man. That's my own roaster coffee that I've developed in collaboration with a local roaster. What I've tried to develop is a coffee that tastes extra special, extra nice when you're out in the great outdoors, and I think I've succeeded. So if you like coffee, head over to the humbletrekker.co.uk website and pick yourself up a couple of bags. This is a great bit of kit, obviously, car camping, fishing, base camping. You don't have to lug it too far, you don't want to be backpacking with this. It's a stationary camp type of equipment, but really the reason I bought it is for prepping reasons. This is going to be a great stove. If the power goes down, the gas goes down in your abode, pull this out, you're going to be able to cook virtually as normal because you've got full-size gas rings. It's got the 1970s classic vintage retro look, which I absolutely think is fantastic, better than all this modern garbage. It's made entirely of steel. It's bulletproof. It's going to last several lifetimes. As long as you've got the gas, it's going to keep on running. Thanks for watching this video. Get down in the comment section. Tell me what you found which turned out to be a winner from flea markets or car boots, second-hand sales, or the opposite of that. Anything you've picked up you thought was going to be a good thing as a bargain ended up being a piece of garbage. I've got my coffee going here. It's just starting to rain, so lucky I got to the end of the video. Take it easy. If you're a subscriber, thanks for being a subscriber. If you're not yet a subscriber and you've enjoyed this video, please become a subscriber, and then I'll see you all next time. Until the next time, have a great one.